I've been using the TECNO Phantom X2 for the past week, and my initial impression is TECNO has stepped up. With a striking new design made to stand out amongst the competition, I can boldly say this is a great start for the smartphone industry in 2023. Is this a perfect device? That's entirely up to you to decide at the end of this video, but it will definitely pique your interest. Timestamps in the video to allow you to navigate easily. Now let's meet the TECNO Phantom X2, a first time for you.
I ran up a check, I might do it again.
There are quite a number of firsts for this device series. There's another device that's the X2 Pro, which has the world's first retractable portrait lens. But for this device, along with the X2 Pro, contains the world's first 3.5D lunar crater dazzling stained glass process. That's quite a lot of words, but I've noticed if you shine a light, or if you have the device in a well-lit environment, like an outdoor space, you see the body of this device sparkle, which is a nice addition to the device. Also, the material finish used is one I really love. Not slippery, feels very comfortable to hold in hand, despite it being a big device. You also get a case with a similar textured back to the phone itself, which ensures you still get to experience how comfortable the material is whilst protecting your phone. The case is actually multi-purpose, so aside protecting your device, it doubles as a kickstand you can use to hold your device on a flat surface and well, any orientation you want. Speaking of big devices, this is a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, which will definitely make your viewing and interactive experience feel super smooth. It gets pretty bright enough even in extreme outdoor situations, and viewing this in direct sunlight isn't really an issue. The usefulness of the 120Hz display for me comes to life when playing games like Call of Duty Mobile. Paired with a good internet connection, there's very minimum lag, therefore the actions I take on screen reflect almost instantly. With the Dimensity 9000 chipset, 8GB RAM, 5160 mAh battery, and 256GB storage, this device is very capable of handling the heavy tasks you may require it to perform, mainly gaming. I've used it to game heavily over the past few days, and I've really not run into any issues aside the device warming up over time. It's expected, but for daily usage, continuous streaming of high quality content, you definitely have no problem using this device. And before I forget, there's also an under-display fingerprint reader, which is really fast and gets you into your device really quickly. All these things paired together in this phone makes it worthy of being a flagship it is. This is not one of those devices that drains your battery capacity even in standby mode. From my test with heavy usage, the 5160 mAh battery easily lasts me the entire day on a single charge whilst playing a few games here and there. If you're not into heavy tasks like I am, you'd easily forget to charge your device and you still have enough juice to keep you going. Speaking of charging, the inbox 45W charger can get you from 0 to 100 in about an hour, which honestly most of you are used to at this point. The first things I actually tested when I got this device were the cameras. Before I show you any results, there are 3 rear cameras, with the main one being a 64MP f1.7 lens with optical image stabilization. There's also a 30MP f2.2 ultra wide lens and a 2MP AF lens. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera which can record videos up to 1080p 30fps, unlike the rear which shoots up to 4K 30 or 60fps. If there's one thing I've noticed about the cameras, they take warm pictures, which would definitely appeal to a lot of people. I don't really like warm pictures, but these are decent results. Pictures come out sharp, portraits are on point with accurate edge detection, which should be expected from a phone at this price. Videos are pretty good as well, even recording at 1080p. You do get better results shooting in 4K. There's one thing I like about the camera system, which consists of the lens and software. It has the ability to recognize objects and adjust accordingly to take really good pictures. What do you think about these cameras? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. I know you're eager to know the price. It's selling at 6,670 Ghana cedis and you can get it from any authorized dealership. I've made it easy for you to locate a store that sells one, so just click the link in my description. Again, TECNO has stepped up their game in almost every department that matters in making a true flagship device. From design to build to hardware, they put so much effort into making this device possible. They do deserve the praise at the very least. I'll continue with my test and keep you guys updated Should I discover anything worth knowing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, do leave a like and subscribe. It goes a long way in helping this channel. I'm Dessy, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.